Welcome to Decisions for Microsoft Teams. It's easy to get started. From the Teams channel, select the plus sign and search for Decisions. You'll have the option to add a tab for meetings and decisions for the entire team or just that specific channel. The team owner only needs to add the tabs once. From the Meetings tab, you can create a new agenda, which you can share directly in the channel when it's ready. Other team members can view the agenda, suggest topics, or leave comments. Also from the Meetings tab, you can view past meetings and their meeting minutes. With Decisions for Microsoft Teams, you'll have a powerful solution that increases meeting productivity, collaboration, and engagement.